Automated testing is now considered a DevOps best practice. Implementing automated tests across a large portion of your development pipeline may seem intimidating at first, but you can start by automating a single end-to-end scenario and running that test on a schedule. When comparing automate testing with manual testing, it's highly reliable and cost effective. Test automation decreases the amount of human intervention in the testing process. It requires the use of automation frameworks and tools to write test scripts that verify the functionality of an application. Using test automation, DevOps can use test cases to detect bugs and save time. And also, automated tests save both time and money. DevOps automated testing helps development teams build, test, and ship faster and more reliably. Hello everyone, my name is Satish Rakshan. Welcome to the Global Village YouTube channel. In this video, we will see automation of unit testing. I have write a simple class called employee here, and also you can see we have a test method, full name expected as here. In our employee.js we have first name, last name, and also full name, which is computed using full name and last name. So we are going to test this computed string. So we can save the employee.js and test provided values are pass the test method or not. The test, and it's built successfully, and our test case is succeeded as this, and we can also customize this case into two test cases as this, and XUnit give inbuilt method to provide test cases inline data, so we can use it like this. Before that, we can customize our full name expected method by passing some parameters. I'm going to pass first name here and also second last name also here, and finally I'm going to pass expected value also here. So we have to provide our test data. First name is Satish and the last name is Shan, and expected value we need to provide as Satish space Shan, and we can add another test data. I'm going to copy this one and change Visual Studio as this. Okay, and we can now check. We can use our parameters here, first name and last name. Then we can use our expected value as well here also. So if we run the test again, it shows it fails and one test is pass and one of the test data provided is not passed. Let me check. The first one is passed, this one is okay, and this one is not passed because of expected value and actual value has some difference. So we can fix this by providing the space here. If we run this again, it will be okay. Two test data passed. But if we change the employee method by adding a additional parameter called string zip, what will be happen? It's showing an error here, and if we provided a dummy value, and check the code again. Now it's working. But we can use a package called AutoFixture to reduce the manual data preparation or manual data creation, or in other words, reduce arrange phase. We can use AutoFixture package. if it's like this, we can directly use auto fixture as this, or fixture, and we can call our auto fixture as this, and now we can modify this one also, like fixture build, it's our employee class, and we are going to use with and our first name is going to first name, and likewise we can use the second name as well. And finally we can create it and check this. So we can check this again. I'm going to run again our test. And it's also worked as expected, and if we added one more parameter here, string additional, like this, and I'm going to save this and execute it again, and you can see the test method is again succeeded. But in previous scenario, if we had added this zip and test our code, it doesn't work. So auto fixture gives some extra feature here. We can check this by using this debug test feature, so we can get the idea what actually auto fixture doing here. So it's debugging, so wait and see what the auto fixture perform here. I think it's takes some time, so I'm going to explain this also here. Auto fixture is a tool designed to make test-driven development more productive. So how it's going to be a more productive um, tool? Actually, it's removing hand coding that and also reduce the efforts of arrange phase. So we can see if we so auto picture is mainly focused to reduce the arrange phase. So arrange phase is all necessary preconditions and inputs. So auto fixture is mainly focused to uh, provide the preconditions and inputs to our test. And this is the three-phase test. And if we this checked about four-phase XUnit test, it have a stage called setup, and we can automate all this phase setup phase using auto fixture. So it will provide all necessary preconditions and inputs automatically by using NuGet. You can simply install the auto fixture your project. So you can use this command for that, or in .NET CLI you can use this one also. We can test in here. It's debugged. I think. I am going to put another debug point here. I'm going to check if you can see the auto fixture assign some random value for additional parameter which we have defined here, and also address it have defined the test data, random test data, and age also it define provides some test data here. So it it's provides some robust testing process for the projects. I'm going to continue this. Now the test cases have succeeded. For more, we can use the auto fixture in most handy way like this. We can use, you can pass the employee here, and directly use this one, and you can use as well. So it's going to be EMP. And now we have changed our test method as this. We are using employee as a parameter here, and we can get the first name as this, and last name is here, and actual value is emp dot full name. So we can compare actual versus expected values here. I'm already run the test debug, and you can see the values which assign now, actual values and full name here. If we expand this emp object, you can see that address parameter, it's also have a value as this, and age also value as this, and that mean auto fixture give a test data, providing test data for our test method. So maintainability is higher than previous method, and also the robustness of the test process also high. So using auto fixture give a massive help for our test process. So if you find this content is useful, please hit the like button, and thank you very much.